Welcome to Muharraq, the old capital of Bahrain. The streets are an important public space for the citizens in Muharraq, but the monthly average temperature is 32 degrees Celsius and the average relative humidity is 80%. During the day, citizens stay indoors with the comfort of air conditioning and few people can be found on the streets. However, when the temperature drops at night, the streets transform into the social hub of the town. Bahrainis gather along stoops for conversation, children play football in the streets, and the beat of drums reverberate along the coral stone walls. What if an intervention could change the microclimate of the street and reinvent the streetscape? Introducing Breathing Streets, a shading and climate control system that can shade, cool, and light up Muharraq with a fabric canopy, artificial breeze, and a lighting canopy. The system begins at the intersection of streets in an open plaza. A steel ring membrane structure suspended by the surrounding buildings floats above the streetscape. Within this membrane, a pneumatic vessel distributes air along the streets through textile ductstock tubes. Under the membrane, the heat-releasing component of the system allows for ventilation. Finally, the light canopy provides a light source for the plaza at night and a projection surface for art installations. Air is mechanically pumped into the inflatable vessel, creating a partial vacuum that distributes air into tubes which extend into the surrounding streets. The buffer zone between the external membrane and the inflatable structure allows for hot air to escape from the space beneath the membrane. This creates a cooler public space where visitors and citizens alike can socialize, enjoy the view, or simply pass through. This condition extends into the narrow streets of Muharraq with a multi-layered textile canopy that diffuses the harsh sunlight. Just as the angles for optimum sunlight differ in the winter, spring, and summer months, the angles of the canopy can be customized to achieve optimum shading. The street is cooled through ductstock tubes that efficiently carry air from the inflatable vessel. These lightweight ducts utilize a scaly core fabric tensioning system, suspend from the buildings with tension wires, and feature a bimetal nozzle. Thermal bimetal curves as the metal heats up. This property self-regulates the amount of air released into the street. Amazing! But where in Muharraq can you find this system? A wind analysis on-site located plazas with the least wind flow. We begin by placing a system in one pilot location. Over time, more systems will be placed around Muharraq and eventually create a network of breathing streets for a brighter and cooler Muharraq.